We are transplanting an unhealthy seedling. It's an eggplant seedling. Unhealthy because the leaves are not green. There's a lot of white spots on its foliage. So we are experimenting this one here. So this area, we dug a hole here and then we put some compost from our chicken compost system. So in few weeks, let us see the development. So we will let you we will inform you of the development. We will take another video after 2 weeks and let us see what's the effect of our compost. So this is a study, this is an experiment using our new compost, organic compost from our chicken compost system. So we have this eggplant, a very unhealthy seedling, and this papaya. So we took this papaya from an area where we have also transplanted a papaya using our compost from our canteen. And since our canteen sells papaya, so they throw away all their scraps, no, to our compost bin or compost heap at the back of our college building. So the seeds sprouted, and this is the result of the seed now mixed with the compost. It just sprouted. We didn't sow the seed, it just grew there where the papaya is. So we're experimenting on that, and we are using again our newly harvested chicken compost system, organic compost. So again, in a few weeks time, we will visit these plants and let us see the effect of our compost, if it's working. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you.